But first I gotta get some light. So I'm actually in my window and I just set it on my window. And so yeah, so it's all still. And I'm going to show you this. So here we go. Seems kind of weird, but I love getting home like this. So this goes. Well, here. No, sit here. Say hi. This is Gus. It's weird because we got a new dog now. Want to go over to this window? So actually, I'm gonna make my videos, but not with my animals. I just wanted to show you all my animals, so they don't bite. Trust me. Thanks. Please like.